Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV. Big up yourself, Crosses.
You go to the crowd of people in the come when you come for the live, one can't see you. When you come on, I can't see you.
What you say?
What kind of wicked video?
So that you send call me about?
Yeah. Mama see trying to bring arguments and trace me. You see too much where you trace me, you jump in an argument and this and make me know so there's not more blood clammy. So when you tell me what kind of wickedness me, you're flat, do you?
I have to trace you because you don't know good people, you don't know when good people in your corner, girl. You don't know when good people in your corner, girl. What
kind of good people in my car? Tell me what that means.
Me a good girl in your blood clot corner. Me did
Wait,
a good
wait there.
girl.
Where?
Watch out.
Where?
Okay.
It's not like a friendship. Yes, I mean, like friendship is you talk to me that way to work with you know.
But so what you send calm about?
And me say what kind of wickedness me blood clot? You see there is not bubbly. I mean, me been want argue with you. What me been want argue with you?
You don't want to argue with me, Keke.
So like you been want argue. What me been want argue with you about?
If I get the time of the day, girl. What you want, girl? What you want?
So see you want to see you?
Keke, are you
So Alice because you want to see you?
Keke, I want to with the tail his argument. You don't tell him where you come about. Milan the child say your class the child with people. Where your class are for that you want to know. Because you follow Rihanna and drop them a class. When you come straight for you go like your work and people obligation then you start the child and ask you where you call her for that.
Our words were Keke been want to argue with me. Keke been want something like me ask her what me been want to argue with her about.
Keke, first about clock comment, may you was good on the internet for a long time. Now you're good, right?
Me not talk about what it was. If you talk about why you jump in the argument with someone about blood clot, Uncle Belly. You see blood clot, Java trace me, and Java always uncle you see rain and trace me, and you jumping here. Why you jumping there?
Keke, me entire for bring down your body man blood clot. Come, me supposed to dirty blood clot, Keke. Keke, it's a good thing. You never know nothing about me a blood clot that spread upon the internet a long time, girl. So guess what? Me entire for drag you and rub out your blood clot, Keke, because he's not that girl. He's not a portion of blood clot, girl. I don't know if the internet a trick you or what the story can't give, but he's not that girl.
Keke is bad man cause this. From your ear, this you know a bad man cause this.
I don't find my thing. You can't turn your video, please.
Keke for what? Bad man, Keke for what?
Well on the Keke.
Well on. So now your video make it cross, see girl I'm create.
Keke, yes,
that me not like with you. What Million where you Keke have a that you want to know? What she did to you?
That's your fucking art. So let me explain to you then you say no, child. Because I know your voice. I remember your name. Alright? So guess what happened now? Me and Keke did a friend, right?
Yeah.
Me and Keke sit up on a phone. We sit down.
Me know that me used to the panic call with the whole away. Whole away used to the panic call.
Alright.
Let me start with your finger on here.
Alright. Keke, you can't make me start with your finger on your girl.
Keke build up, make me know what the problem no.
Keke,
just build up Keke, make him talk.
Okay.
What you said now, Milan?
Alright, good. Right? So you know how we did good and how we did right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Say, who remember when time I did I keep my party?
When did I keep a party for me did the day? Me did the Jamaica them time that when you invite everybody.
Yes. Alright, right? So me did show Keke a face and I say Keke at the time, the money when me did have, I say Keke, me have the money and I say two things me I gotta either do. Is either me I keep the party and me I gotta rent a house. Keke respond to me was, girl, tell the internet to fuck off with the party and I'll go rent a house, which is a good advice. Don't get me wrong. I appreciate it for telling me that because, you know, everybody knows the party is a gamble. It's a win and lose thing. You win, you make money, you may lose money, right? Cool. So Mr. Keke, at the end of the day, the decision is mine. So whatever me decide for do, you still have to work with it with her or not. Alright, she said, okay then, cool. So I said, me I put up my flyers out there because I did. Me and Darren was supposed to keep the party. And last minute, Darren pull out for me. Because me and Darren have the same birthday.
I remember that day. I remember all of that.
Alright. So we go so now, bam, now we're on the internet and, you know, me start promote my thing and so. You see, one time it come down to the nitty-gritty, my love for the party, if you go keep, how come me I go be friend, girl, and you go try to bring down my thing? Keke sit down pan blood clot live and tell people so she not go at the Batman the blood clot live because guess what? She not go at the Batman the party because no girl not come lick her. And she tell the people them, remember them, your friend, you know. So even if you not come on my shit, still put up my shit out there, still make people know some my shit I keep. Don't tell the girl, matter for Keke, tell the girl them, so listen, any girl will come there to see me, or nobody go come and not see me. Keke bring them a party in the worst way possible, all the day of the fucking party on the internet. She said, the only way me I go at the girl party is unless the girl they buy me clothes, shoes, and pay for them my blood clot makeup. What kind of friend is that you will be? Because guess what, if you did that keep something, what longer me talk out of my clean mouth. If you did that keep something, all if me not go.
Me go talk, cause to become know your mouth no blood clot clean, me go talk.
Listen, if me
Quincy,
can't
Quincy, I want question layer to open blood clot.
Did you fucking not do that? Listen, I'm not joke thing now.
Yes,
me how you
yes, but on before your party, I'm dead.
Okay, you did it. Okay, cool, you did it. That's fine. Okay, all right. So my thing is, me have to sit down and question the kind of friend where you'll be around me. Because guess what? If me I do something, and you know something I do it, as when I'm my closest friend, I'm a corner at the time, when me expect you to ride for me, and even if she not come to tell people, say, you wanna, me I go did there in a crowd, so guess what? No come out. Remember, even if you not come tell me, off the blood clot internet's a friend me now coming on, cause you know what, things tight and things not really too go on, you know. But guess what? I go still strong by you and push your shit out there. That's what a fucking friend does. You understand where I come from? That you walk and tell the internet so I bet you that because she come on my party. And I bet me and I come on my party, I bet you the girl. I bet you the how you drag me and my party on the fucking internet. And
so that is the big argument between you and Keke because she dragged the party.
Even just the party girl, she dragged me as well. How may I have to be a friend? How may I have to be a friend? I mean, against you. One time shit I hit the fan, I missed it on blood clot live. I was say, Keke, come here, come beg for no blood clot after the internet and anything we get a fear. When Keke there California and Keke I got through her blood clot shit, I'm sitting right to say in the Connecticut, I'm right for Keke no blood clot. When anything now go right, Keke knows that she can her phone and call me and say, Q, you know, say shit now go right. Even if it's a word of blood clot. Even if it's a word, tell girl. Even if it's a word of advice, we can't offer blood clot, Keke.
Word of advice.
Offer the blood clot.
Advice, no else. What are the people may ask? This is a question. What are the people?
Yeah, behave like this shit a joke. The reason why till today I'm still
one question me have to ask, Risky. Milan, this a part where you talk about no from last year.
No man, I from 20.
Then the time that me a traveler come over, so me never get to see no or know of the argument with Keke. Me never know that Keke do all of that because me did the family clean and come here them time day.
Bomba clock, you say me your blood clot friend, yam cocky blood clot, ugly blood clot, kill belly Quincy. Right? Me get blood clot lock up. And you don't know how to get blood clot lock up. Don't it? Did you call Jerome? Did you call Marco?
When you
did you call blood clot Rita? Did you call hold on? Did you see your time talk done?
So yeah,
see your time listen to you.
When did you get
locked up? If you listen to me, if you come down off my life.
Then you listen to Keke. You Keke at the end of the day, girl. Me time to tell you.
If you can't listen, if you wait to be done, you come up back. Suck your mother. Right? You don't know how me get blood clot lock up body boy. You see me, friend. You don't call Rika, you don't call Marco, you don't call Shay, you don't call blood clot. You don't call Vin, you don't call Marlene, you don't call no blood clot, you don't call Jerome, you don't call nobody, you don't call Baga TV, you don't call Cross TV, you don't call nobody at all. Judgment Patrol, nobody to find out if blood clot something to me as a friend, don't it? You don't find out. You don't try to do that, but you come on Instagram, come press live, you start ball and tell all of Instagram, much crowd out for your blood clot live and I tell people to be dead. How much more blood clot? You want to see crowd pan blood clot? You want to see her live my ear friend. You Instagram to me dead. She's a Keke, me born. She's a Keke, me mother. Sit down and my mother ball. She's a Keke, me. The girl of my Rika call me a ball.
Your mother, everybody did a ball, Keke, and
I'm
nobody never
my
believe. Remember, say me
mother
did just
ball.
left off. Remember, say me did just left Jamaica. Remember, say you
Body a
are.
ball.
Remember, say
Thinking blood clot, Tony and came out everybody a ball.
remember, say you with a come
Nobody
to
knows the
France,
blood clot. They watch
Jamaica.
the all like a bar chihuahua. So why me the blood clot come here party? I'm dead. Batty boy.
None of the party you say you bring down the party.
So why me come here? If you tell me say my blood clot dead, why me go come in your party? Why me go be your friend? You
He
need
said,
to know what
not. Oh yeah, they apologize
nobody
about
bow
it.
down
It's
say I'm
true.
a dead blood clot motherfucker. So why is a dead person gonna come to your party? Why is a dead person gonna speak nice things about you?
But the party gone all long, so oh, she just a come with this now.
That the
At
party
times
that
talk to
for
the blood
last
clot,
year,
then
we
he
up in
cannot
a
keep
march
party with
them
you and come
hours
and don't
day.
go. At times talk to me dead, he not keep party and I come and me don't go. Because he say me dead. Me say if you want the blood clot, that girl come to your party, everybody with clothes, shoes, if you do me ear with blood clot, think I'm dead. So
No,
how
but
am I
that did
wrong?
leave behind, you know, that leave behind is the fact that no Java and Rihanna argue and Quincy gonna take up upon our heads. So
So me
this
talk,
cause the
hold on,
problem
we don't
now.
want, what do man do, apart from Java and blood clot, suck that Rihanna, what still look like man. Right, apart from that, how am I supposed to come to your party? How am I supposed to talk good about your party? How am I supposed to be a friend towards you if I am a dead person? Why? That means you hate me. You never try to call me, you never try to call Jerome. Jerome, me say, I'm Keke. What is Keke? Me say Keke come like, what? You try to me not a friend. I mean, you show me you already say me ain't a friend. And you show me first say me ain't a friend. Eh? People blood clot for other people on the live. Pick sense out of blood clot nonsense. Who show who first? Say the man not friend.
Wow.
Eh? Who show who first? So them is not a friend of you. So why am I gonna be your friend if you don't want to be mine? Why you supposed to treat me bad and talk to me dead and talk worse than things them about me? And me supposed to be your class, cheer and be happy with you and be jolly with you and come to your party. Why? I don't understand that. So them say me eat that girl and you're a top class girl and me eat that girl. You send me to your class, you're supposed to bring me down. And that girl come to your party. And after you come to your party, you take picture and laugh for me and class me. Me not idiot. Me not dopey bat. Me not cup scout for nobody boy. Me tell you already long time. Nobody boy can clown me out. None body boy, none can clown me out. Me not put myself in no position for nobody boy clown me out and treat me like an idiot. You fool. If you kill me, I come to your party. Me a clown? I'm a joker? You want to kill me and kill me from blood class string from like a puppet come to your blood class party. Oh, you go look risky. And then two me start arguing with the dead girl. We must have dead because that girl come party now. Don't it?
For Keke that gone years ago, so what is now?
Exactly. So why blood clot jumping on me and Java? Not Java and blood clot real argument. Nobody knows see you all long that. It's already before but me. Already blood clot. Me never really reach a blood clot foreign yet. Me just come on New
Keke
Year
did that
2 years
jail.
ago. 2 years ago. I'm think more so a Quincy. And that me get locked up at LA. And then nobody never know what happened to me. So she start walking and tell people my lives me dead. Come on live a ball. So what really you're coming here, you don't really make no sense, you know. So why am I going to be a friend to you and you're not a friend to me? You don't try friend with a friend, you get locked up in dead for you. You come by internet, come balls and me dead. So what am I going to your party for? I'm dead.
Well, she said she does
You
not
know more
kill
than
her
me, you know that
please.
girl
Well,
for
you
me.
just no need for answer them a people and a people. Because, yo.
You know that girl on me. You want me to you from blood clot woman to your clothes. Let me show you one to your clothes. Go ahead. Then two to me come here pass the blood clot, me catch up the blood clot. You make them know, so move your blood clot or you're a clown. You're a dead girl, must make a dead girl from one party. You can't do that to me.
Sure.
You can't do that to me. Me not cup out. Me not pull string dolly. Me not put myself in no.
It don't say
What
they're
man
jail
say
and
you
still
know.
contact say you're dead to blood clot. This is sick.
And a 2 year ago, Quincy. A 2 year ago, me have done me something to you. If you come from my life, me say me not wire for my life. Come off my life, please. Me not class, me not bring it up, me say me not wire for my life. Come off my life. And you come off, don't it? Apart from that, me not trouble you. Me not say nothing bad about you. A 2 year ago that day. Before me reach a foreign. So what kind of problem me you have now? Una always want to see me and chub me, girl. Una always want to see me and chub me. I know no make no sense. You come like to make you start where we got eyelash here, do you start your fingernail now? You come like you want girl to see you, because enough girl now see you. Because you want girl, you want enough girl to see you now. See it there. You want to see you now. You see one just set fire for that. Eh? So one just set fire for that there. You must see you now. Because Uno always a trouble me.
She said she know say they there jail, but she still contact say you're dead. I must dead she the wire for
So
dead.
let me say you don't like me then, and you prove to me you don't like me friendship. So you want to cause me and bad me? Sometimes I pick some blood clot friendship, and I know what blood clot do me. Sometimes I cause me pick up some friend and I know what blood clot do me sometimes to pussy clot.